Why do we hiccup? It might be a leftover from when our ancestors had gills. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. You gulp in air, and your throat snaps shut, making that hic sound. But here's the wild theory. The nerve pattern behind hiccups looks a lot like the one that fish and tadpoles use to breathe through gills. It may be an ancient reflex, hundreds of millions of years old, that we just never lost. That's also why hiccups serve no clear purpose today. They might simply be an echo of a time when your ancestors lived in water,